How do you become a data-driven organization? This is a topic surrounded by ample mystique, but at Amsterdam Data Collective we take a very practical approach, where we start with an organization scan in which we dissect your organization into its core processes, and per process we assess what the data-driven potential is. And once we've done that, we start with the top process, the one that has the most potential, and we start developing solutions to make that process more data-driven. And we do that in 4 steps. Step 1 is identify the use cases. We do this by applying the principles of design thinking. Step 2 is to work out the business case. Step 3, to develop a pilot, in which we develop a minimum viable product, so we don't go all the way out straight away, but we just develop the essential features to make sure that whatever we develop actually has indeed the potential which we thought out up front. And once the pilot is successful, and we do indeed see that the application is going to make the process more data-driven and more valuable, we then go on with implementation. Redesigning your organization process by process will have an impact on the organization as a whole, on your people, your data infrastructure, your contracts, and on the way you communicate internally and externally. These 4 elements we call the organizational prerequisites, and when we redesign organizations, we make sure that each of these is lifted to the level where you are able to execute the processes in a data-driven way. And if you do so, and all your processes are up to the data-driven potential that we've identified up front, you are an organization that is data-driven.